What's the noise? Hi friends, right now today we are talking about how not to freak out if your car suddenly decides to surprise you right in the middle of the road. Hi friends, right now I'll show you and tell you what to do if you get into trouble with your car, like a flat tire, engine smoke and plenty more. Let's go! What's the noise? Don't rush to pop the hood right away. You could get burned or catch a face full of flames. Give the car a few minutes to cool down. If the smoke is white, it might be overheating. If it's black or smells like burning, there could be a fire. If the fire is small, try putting it out with a fire extinguisher. But if it's burning seriously, run away and call 911. You can buy a new car, but not a new you. If your steering wheel starts pulling to one side and you hear a thumping noise, chances are you've got a flat tire. Pull over somewhere flat, turn on your hazard lights and don't freak out. Oh, really? If you've got a spare and know how to change a tire, go for it. But if you don't, call someone who can help you out. Who hasn't gambled on getting home with the gas light on? But if the engine dies, don't panic. And, as always, the nearest gas station is magically 10 miles away. Don't just leave your car sitting in the middle of the road. If you can, push it onto the shoulder. Call a friend, a tow truck or a fuel delivery service. Battery dead happens, especially in winter. But if you've got jumper cables, you're saved. The most important thing is finding someone to give you a jump. If there is nobody around, you won't be able to start the car, and you'll have to call someone for help. Just don't mix up the cables. Fireworks are for the New Year's, not for your car. Check engine doesn't always mean the end of the world. If the car is driving normally, you can make it to a service station. What's the smell? But if the engine's shaking, there is a weird smell, or the car is losing power, better pull over right away and call for help. And never ignore your check engine light for weeks. A small problem can turn into a big, expensive one. So, if something happens on the road, the most important thing is don't panic, stay safe, and follow the steps. And remember, your car is never worth more than your life. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Take care of yourselves and your cars. And may all your drives be free of smoke, warning lights, and drama. Bye-bye!